Birthday, Mama. Kanta dyan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Tingnan naman, Mama. Happy birthday. Smile, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daday. Sabi mo, Mama, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ano ka? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kanta mo na happy birthday.
Ayoko.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ayoko. Ayoko siyalan.
Daday. Okay.
Gusto naman na lagi siya nakakasama. Pero kung hindi tayo bukas, sabihin ako sa'yo, ha? Bakit bukas pa? Hindi ko lang kung intonation sabi nilang love. Sabi?
Happy birthday. Uy, kayo dalawa. Ano ba? Sabi, kanta.
Hindi na ba?
Happy birthday, Mama.
Ito, dulo. Aday.
Tinakpan mo eh.
Dati nga.
Today is December 23. But the actual birthday of Miriam is 24. So that is tomorrow, Christmas Day.
Nabati na ako.
Today is 23. Happy birthday, Mama. 2008. Ilan taon ka na, Mama? 27 ka na?
Yes.
Hindi ah.
7?
Ano 19?
21.
27 ka na?